archivos online. Okay. Mình yên có vậy nè.
HOEW Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers.
This is the time for us to meet again on the program, The Community and the Law. You're from Morocco Frimpon, between now and the next 2 hours, 4 o'clock our UK, and after 6 o'clock our UK. Or between now and the next 2 hours, as I said, and maybe I will be a CBR, watching my quaba, with a CP, say, what day we're feeding no atoha. Now, what I come and say, young Jumedi and Jumedi is any up to date with the community and the law. And Remu and Shisha Apodua, I was there your day, bought your home teacher, oh, UK ham, and no any about the home and common. And the question maybe be sat and then pa and I said, I'm rather dorsal questions to the dorsal. A day and now be ask a lawyer. Not a neighbor so now fee me day opinion and then what did you no every year no. Let us say my boy a sword show say BWF solicitors a lawyer for penny for equa. What me a car and Roman someone who do na my tears here. The one question was sitting and 72 over UK and a Ganamra and a see a fire Nina with the Hoju Mapa. BWF solicitors I will 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so I will North London UK where you Monday to Friday if we am upon 9:30 I could see and you 6 o'clock over for 1. But what I says I bring over for now booking appointment 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340. Now, it looks so, Meminda, Avia, na Payashia, the community and the law, so no. Well, my acquaintance say, you let me a friend, now you be a lawyer for no in Simbia, and how I drink Ewo and Remu. I know a 0208 123 1016 0208 123 1016. And then, you know, lawyer Francis NBD and Commonafi. Ya baby sa questions na maka say a door so na who answers and so young no baby and fan obi yini nyina no ma ntu betimi do question about we are in text message and a WhatsApp message line no 07950 422 780 07950 422 780. But yet to BWF solicitors and crack your more may advert na ye ba ye den komo no abeso so e de amount.
HOEW Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. HOEW Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers.
Michia, your viewers, ne etifunina, so I for this opportunity to do a quick update in terms of your immigration in Brano. Yebeti news na government ne a campaign in regards to the end of the transition period come 31st December 2020. Inti yenim say transition period no be ending 31st December no. Government no so is making people aware, such as business people, individuals, everybody aware say Brano SSA in terms of trade, in terms of the movement of people, in terms of a lot of things to do with British way of life. But in terms of immigration specifically, governments are introducing new points-based system in terms of the fact that so person apply as a student are usually under tier 4 now. There's a new points-based system visa route available. For conform person we apply for work permit visa, which is usually under tier 2, whether it be general work permit and answer over as a religious minister and answer you are just coming to work as a temporary worker, crampono. All these routes, they've now been introduced in this new points-based system. Now governments, are introduced to. And since last week, governments introduced a new statement of changes. Say a kind statement of changes say Parliament acts now, I can say in Broadway, and I say yes, sister. Into immigration rules saying it's almost per se de become but almost person so ye be Ephraim into such statements of changes way almost say ye be Ephraim, but from the 1st of December 2020 and conform person applications based under the new points-based system able to me ISR applications way, and then from the 1st of January 2021 almost to me ISR ejuma under the new points-based system. As of this year those who are health and care visitors, health and care workers, to me it's applications from the 4th of August based on the new visa points-based system. And students so from the 5th of October and almost be a year for people to apply as students under the new points-based system. And see from the 1st of December all the other routes regarding your work permit visas, your student visas, those who want to apply under the global talent route, innovator route, startup business route, Sa applications waiting now from the 1st of December no be available say nkrofo me ISR applications outside of the UK. Into way na me pese me de share in terms of your immigration rules na asisano. And this week, as of Tuesday, 27th of October, and IHS fees no so year 2 more into for adult applicants almost say £624 a year. So we'll apply for 2.5 now, a be 1,560. For Nkwalano, so almost say £470 a year. And so we'll year application almost say sa fees no for Nkwalano, so say 2.5 na we be and a be £1,175 for the 2.5 year period. We no nkrofo be human so because so omo second time round now nim someone ye dwuma kopim sambre now mutua taxa I didn't na omo fa sa fees no enchamo but your Immigration Act 2014 who say sa fees no Home Secretary no ebetumi atum at any time until say ye pese ye changes sa embrana dia and there nkrofo someone who say MPs only available to you. Force yourself to make some time to go and see your MP. Now at least some to me mobilize some who now at least MPs know who say my serious there, and then hopefully it will be said in Parliament say there has to be a change in terms of Sa Mbrana Omdeba 2014 no. Inti mida kweku ase midamuna ase. Bye bye.
Yeah, is lawyer Unisa say the updates not a brain. We attended that, but I say yeah emphasis in tea and yeah the repetition a bro. I'm saying me come for amount share page you know now pay amount for in senior see at here. So we other kind of one. And say we are live on Facebook, we are live on so YouTube. Mina BWF Solicitors, BWF Solicitors, and a Jumedi at the Brea. Yet to and Yama Napi sound and Kaka, yet to Yama, but answer on my main and carry a mount say 31st December. One here, not near my echo catch at the amount, no so the TBR, Yaboko Quadia, once Emma and Emma and Patwasi. I mean, call now be say you meet me and the penny and Yami Adum or the common answers the brain or the Ebeba. What could be WF Solstice? If we could bend so I not your war lawyer for any partners who did you make a day a boy. Now, and then your war lawyer Francis Usu Busumpim, a war in China, other boy, and my day and Komono, a brew. Lawyer Francis Mutatin car a war radio, so if you are Amapadia 3930 call 11. The bar say a community of the laws as well. And I mean, I don't know, which means why Emma in Komono, Libre, and Bro. And then, what questions are holding in our Tobra? Me will be our ha. Yes, she say, you ever man no. And then, Unim Senia, in topic, you know, you say too many laws, too many questions. And then now, ask a lawyer. I have a lawyer with me, a lawyer, Francis Usu Busumpim. And yeah,
yeah, and
then so other kind of.
And she that's certainly also a moon tracker. Yeah, they see the market here for no.
And then even the register. So, question over to our brain is 07950422780. And now also said with a free 0208-123-1016. Question is little awesome, to be very frank. And one here sometimes we maybe our own fun say a sitting more, say a buying any adjument, say a yeti TBR. So see, send your COVID lay a whole and some SC Abano. More lawyer for a day you any move from home.
You will be there, say, Uncle Greco. A cheer for a chairman, and in chair can see every BWF, as well as a mom. dan den na muso ye muna de wo say de mamu yo question ya wato amaye no say lawyers say bibisa covered by free somewhere March more 2020 up to now I say back into do baby now the government why lockdown but so far so good the America says guidance or mode to no ye this no ye kuswa ye this no I know Brazil but a sa pijana mu ama say ye call second lockdown and I started pay 5th of November 2020 into ye versus still the baby guidance but Amia Roma, you see the Omanya no again. It's a vast now, person of Milibano. A bit me ask you more. But for now, no, the American chair at here for say, Emmanuel covered in Swaba. Wona we employee, no, and I say we employer, no. Debena we are far in call for him. Internet, you because educated people in terms of COVID, no, and our buying share or wa or the actual. And I say, opposite or they saw covered by ama employers or multi employ people or Juma almost shutting about no nasi for you know. And you better near pensing mona ya mighty for the echo in terms of Sana humanity and a covered is it here. Why?
And you now you share questions na ya to at the amount. But my main share the abai you say sabi one year Juma ultimate anything. Eduma abre from March, ABC Sabri, Eduma hold one abre, but buying fellow system, what I don't much in any sugar, what's happening, and hope, good so to speak, I will Obibia, Sabibia, and a Juma I affected.
Yo, Midasi. So, Usha covered no, send a see by March 2020, no, ABC says, where young shed they are buying Shishaya or the atoll. Your time I covered me by or the scheme be by your friend coronavirus job retention scheme. And fellow no so no they come home. Now share a buying buta a fellow no needs job retention scheme now. Or person say time I covered me by and definitely employers shut it down and now say employers or move and at the same time employees almost move in order not to create that friction, no. I buy a decision be to war under fellow. He say, fine, you sure send a cover the banner. One show ya a bema employers, no, or musica, or more business near that they may collapse. Because of that, no, or pushing or so, send a day or when you say, or Matia, ama a man for any Jumania. Because of that, this our fellow scheme by say, okay, send a new mercy corner, what employer no. Share not say Jumani who are send a bay affected employee, the rent or bit here, they did the money as for no. May the science say, yeah, but say, apply na Bejisika woman, may ya what make here or employee. Inti sana fellow no, as the engineer a chair. Inti employers before say we make it idea way now. I was say we need employee in the casa say the person we do two fellow. Why do you say?
Not just we be tinya casa me person me koso.
Yes, person because that employer no obey or reason or raise that issue. It was the reason that was say okay, the only thing another option I'm making I say may or redundant. If we employee who knows what we because fellow no chair say sika yebema sika employer no be employed to aban no what this is come no dey twa ka enti wo shema fellow scheme no indirectly no aban na so
Okay.
Enti aban so ma no all person wo employee no wo be kire wo no e na odi susu ogun kakranka o rent a be kire o di die mu ni na sefo nyina enti sa fellow scheme now mo dey to wo mo dey so emu ama se ne be ya cover dey abai emma enuanum and I say yeah won't share both on the side of the employee and on the side of the employer.
Me sam be no more and I say any so is no you say before period be say na only panel contractor
wontimi enko fellow no so me mfa no say previous one me imagine that me enko fellow no so but now and you my do the next one ekwa akosi March 2021 no person me koso say my take advantage of the first one now second one is do I qualify
Yo, share second one now. Was say aban say employer any person do to fellow now. I was say by 30th October no. Now would employer no pay as you earn so. You pay rule so. Inti at that time no now won that's why and a different issue. But from now I won't November definitely say when the employer be a year Juma October. Oh, that's why definitely. What about the fellow scheme? No, he said the first now won't come on. Why?
Okay. And say, when you say a Jumana year between now and December or even March. Yeah, December. Na no, you are saying you see corner. Even though I buy 8 year fellow, no. You need to 12 Jumana so. And a winding up. In that case, no, what quarter fellow no so no. I buy the cost of 3 hours even though company that go now.
Yes, in this case, no, I buy some new. Wo employer no, wo so send a buyer umma wa juma ni na wo nya bi emma employee no. Inti reason be na wo for the app because I buy the moment I will apply for fellow no, and as I will apply coronavirus job retention scheme no on the side of the employee no, employer no. Employee here ni fellow no inti no what ama buy me say wa juma ni nko yi inti mun so mi say me kushiu. In this case, no, open so winding up cry now still no, it will be difficult for you to say open winding up say o de ho akwa akoma ban say wajuma nyenti na ye mouse support no. Why? It you just say winding up totally, but ubenya sika bi ebe kushiu na wotimi di solve issues in terms of the employee no and what to our rent we need business rate in asifo. Why?
How long and it comes back to the same question, but I mean, how long will be to me at that level? So, by being in free or so, and now, at any point, you might want to get up.
Yo, I buy say or they buy Nancy and the chair say, fellow now was our first in Onanka March 2020 now, you enter into coronavirus season, you know. I buy the fellow ni buy no. On my aware say or year till say or be say no be pick up into by October no nanka ye free fellow ni so. But or share say na nyoma siko na cover me sa pagya ni mu. Into because of that no the nanka dey ba na your friendly job support scheme no. After the opportunity break on it. Said no cover that sa so the movie. Inti adenti na mesa kwa kofa different scheme aba. Inti for now no yensa reverse it back to your fellow no. Okay. Inti fellow ni sa start in November yi. And I buy say ye hwe se na nyoma besi akọ. Inti mama up to March 2021. Se na nyoma besi akọ. But I see January 2021 no obe review scheme no. That's it. Inti wo share inti bibia wo ye nya no wo de cover ni to hum. Okay. So say na be ya you be say oh cover the inti na money make that decisions no. Inti wo share say by January 2021 no obe review say ye be cost to fellow ni so na say ye be free so or the another scheme be ba na so on farm. Why?
For opinion no education committee lawyer Francis BWF solicitors the community and the law and the Broadway. Questions not the gray ha my nyabi shall see grammar for be atutun Eddie Bremy. Fabra na obeboa no at the amount. May call the next line of questioning so na Dudwana ABSA support scheme and EU settlement scheme. Senya esi etie no na question amafo will be say yes December enu e ba betwem nti send ye EU ni na December to me e wo UK and na say to me outside of UK na masetan ewu and na say it say so chemi na pe yes am to credit questions.
Michia, your viewers, ne etifunina, so I say for this opportunity to do a quick update in terms of your image.
BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our number one priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our number one priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our number one priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers.
So what Macaulay is talking about is today the Chancellor announced a new 6-month-long job support scheme that starts on the 1st of November. It's effectively the replacement for furlough. Now, any employee who was on the payroll on the 23rd of September can be on this scheme at the employer's discretion. Any firm can qualify. Small and medium firms do. Big firms only if they're suffering from financial problems due to coronavirus and some other criteria. But they can do that even if they didn't use the furlough scheme in the past. So this is separate. Now, here's how it works. Go with me. You must work a minimum of 1/3 of your normal hours. That is paid for by your employer and paid at your normal pay rate. Then, for the rest of your normal hours that you are not working, it's effectively, this is my way of thinking about it, not the Chancellor's, split 3 ways. The employer pays 1/3 towards your wages. The state pays 1/3 towards your wages. And you, as the employee, contribute 1/3 in the form of unpaid wages, because you won't get 1/3 of the wage for the time you are not working. The state, by the way, won't pay pension and national insurance contributions. The employer will have to cover those. So let me just show you now how this plays out in practice. For someone on the minimum, 1/3 of normal hours, they'll receive 78% of their salary. For someone on half hours, will receive 83%. For someone on 70% of normal hours, they'll get 90%. Now, think about that. Remember my third thing from before. 70% is 30% of hours you're not working. 1/3 of 30% is 10%, so you miss out on 10%, which is why you receive 90. That's the easy way to think about it. The state contribution, by the way, is capped at around £700 a month, which is around £40,000 salary for someone on 33%, but more higher. They haven't quite told us how that works, and some of these I'm still waiting to dot the I and cross the T on, so give me some wriggle room. Let's move on to the next announcement, which is the new self-employed income support grants. We've already had the first grant. You can still apply for the second grant at the moment. The Chancellor today told us about the third and the fourth grants. The third is for people financially hit who are self-employed by COVID between the 1st of November and the end of January. It is a one-off full payment of 20% of profits for 3 months, capped at £1,875 in total. That's much less than before. I mean, a fraction of what was being paid before. So this is far less generous. But then again, the job support scheme is far less generous than furlough. The eligibility is the same as for the first 2 grants. So maximum £50,000 profit. And you've got to have filed a tax return in 2018-19. I know, even though there's been a tax return since, I know. And I know people out there will be going, what about all those self-employed people who were not eligible before? Well, you're still not eligible now. Nothing has changed of that. You can claim, though, if you were eligible but didn't claim before. And then there's going to be a fourth grant on the 1st of Feb to the 30th of April 2021. No details yet. But let me say something. Here's a thought from me. I have a sneaking suspicion, and it is only a suspicion, that this was done quite quickly, which is why they've had to keep the eligibility the same as before. This is a turnaround. And the reason they may be leaving this fourth grant open, and maybe I'm just looking on the bright side, is to give them room to give a payout to some of those people who were excluded before. They've got time to work it out. I hope so, Mr. Chancellor. That would be the best thing. Anyway, moving on to the next page. The Chancellor's other key tweaks and changes. I don't normally talk about small businesses, but because the bounce back loan for small business can be used to support personal income, I found that out when it first came out. Let's just talk about that. New and existing loans can now be repaid over 10 years, not 6, so you can spread the repayments. You can take a full payment holiday once for 6 months or 3 6-month times when you're only going to be paying the interest, and that won't have an impact on your credit file. The self-assessment tax, also, that was due in 2021, is now spreadable over the year. That includes the tax payment that people doing self-assessment, not self-employment, sorry, self-assessment returns deferred in July. Now you'll have a year to pay that back. I'm still trying to find out whether that's monthly instalments or you just defer it a year later.
Yeah,
and there's something...
Uncle Francis and Yakofa, the announcement when it came, ITV4, so a day or 2 more, a day and mine. Your boy Hombading said, you bet me, Abwa and sound no, at me, Ejna, a day and mine. Until you bet Fano, Senia is secret, Nafi, they are caught in. The community law and Kosui, so with me, I send the text on a day a brain, 07950 422 780 07950 422 780. And also say Ubet Freying was 0208 123 1016. And Francis, na obi ebisa say December twamwa EU settlement scheme hun se may cancel deadline ni ade no. Say obi EU ni na bia atono outside of the UK na setana say na set to say.
Yo, all can say obi EU ni na atono outside the year. What na happen and okodi holidays and na say a fee no person to me clarify on
one shit, but you say
okay.
So EU settlement scheme was say we application what to me regularize setna wo krom hani ade. Some fan so wanye.
Okay.
Na December be senko. Na fe sania isi etie no. Na setna say na set to say.
Yo, my main share now you're looking at the whole picture scenario, sena identity. Free movement, na me adaroma, ya ende, until you will be a fair transition period. Just 11th November, yeah, Wednesday, Chermy, and Ohima Adene signature, a sign I say.
Okay.
Into your friend royal assent. Into Osa see you are now by a law. Say we are no longer using free movement. Inti sana etie inti the woman say your transition period a be end 31st of December 2020. And I'm rano so ano you can run pushing it forward say omo the grace period account. This our grace period now a be kwa kwasi 30th June 2021.
Okay.
6 months. Inti no crown so no omasa incorporating Nancy almost statement of change, you know. Abana HBA ebabe come into effect, you know. Say after 30th June 2021, na say uwo UK ha bibinti one EU settlement scheme na. Utimi ma reasonable grounds ubetumi aye sa application.
No, to me they are regularizing what's the
That's it.
Okay. Now, my misa way to be say who regularize was 600 EU settlement scheme na wajai EU ni ye abeye British announce to say
Yo midasi so oh yeah sa scheme na it doesn't mean say wajai was it na ukuta oye EU ni maybe em fan say free Austria unjai was it na so person oye British na and also ye the total path ube face I will say we now we are over 18 now. I will say we are now we naturalize it as a British. But the requirement they say, when you EU settlement scheme now, say why is application no when you indefinite leave and now say settled status they say we and say we train for 1 year.
Okay.
We train for 1 year. Now we naturalize it. One make application to naturalize as a British. No. Who jai we EU. Country I want now walk for British there. A go ha EU country no or more dual citizenship or more allow but countries be or EU countries be or more allow my own yet. It be say in say Austria or more allow say obey dual citizenship. Either you have to denounce or more no citizenship no then you go for British one. Into how our person or no obi ha was say oh you person metina hanumo but me person me British ni wo person wo tina hanumo a wo ye EU settlement scheme ni bia na no ye free mu kra no akwanja wo ho e bo ho ban say ukuta EU but we EU for na ma migrate a ma ba be settle down e wo UK hanumo no is it and the way forward no it's up to you to decide say me person me ye British ni ana say me person me tina ha. It's no difference a woman say, who person are British near? Who apply to naturalize, we over 18 now. No, say, who country allow my offer dual citizenship now? Now, sir, put our EU. Now, in this case, no, who are wow EU citizen, and our side UK dear account. Why?
Okay. Obi at the message aba na behesi betimi kwade to screen so at the amount was say or person who said documents being and will be here say or the ebe man down for person or man of visitors visa na ono a say or shared accommodation mo which bills ne documents are one in the and that's so
Okay.
Is it going to be possible for him to give the visitors invitation at the Amani Kako or yeah, full time? They pay everything by themselves, and is it possible for them to book a hotel where they will be staying instead of say
Yes, it is. They all share new visitors visa or Modiaba, a friend appendix V. Now, on Modiba could be about become financial requirement. Now, all share your visitors visa, say, open so more be invitation. Requirements be any documents be now being here over the yes I don't know. I was so which say Nipana or Baba Beshan or with genuine intention say ba mekoba because I know any year a man who was case worker or fuck case medical clearance officer or fuck case now or she say Papa ya and I say Mamia or Baba Beshan and as officer by UK no I dream bay no kuta I dream of a chair says or bow, but quite an answer uncle. And no, they are moody kind share, and no more quite be brow, moody share. War now, Wobano, Deben the whole you Ghana. Ah, say, Uba Krumha, a bessa do a co back. A biddy saying, a Juma away, or go how a banker. The Jumano, or you so busy, say, or co holidays crana, or Mumaninko. Into a Jumum, ever throw Aka say, oh, I see mercy. Or they are two and himself of a so called holidays who could deep way or UK. Nay, a true letter, the account say, Ampa, even if dear Jinamuse or call, Baba. Honor Beckavow. And a biomus will go on so at least. Who the pana Obano, or property, we are comfortable, baby, our free air by especially Ghana. Who the entire so Baba Betna. Who the Nina Becca documents in home. Watch say, oh. Me me fear me me die me ye okay me kai ni inti me hu de inti a me ba be stay krom ha no me ye madwuma kama inti nipa na oba no e wo se wo no na otimi influence and I say otimi mom ye awe say oba obeko back yo ye hwe nipa na owa ha no ono so no ne de no because normally wo nipa na oba no ye be hwe say plane ticket na say for any say in case Uba Beda Hotel, and I say Nipa or sponsor no, yeah, can say or shared accommodation. On to me can say Nipa Metano, but or move to me and make provision say or Quaquaji hotel, and I say Nipa no bookie hotel. Yeah, yes, sorry if we are near Europa, you know, be our but here bookings online, Yakoda hotel, Yakoji, Yasaba back. Until likewise, our bagana, or for so when you see Cabino bet me a booking hotel. That's it. But Nipa no be supporting you to show say Nipa no no oba. Into all these things, you know, a father be no Nipa no free Ghana eba no. So ni sika bi obetimi ato ni ticket, obetimi a kire say baby oba beda no hotel no booking wa pre-booking. Receipt ni online ni receipt awanya or the account application na. Obetimi a make application as a visitor visa. No about be doing holidays are all can no as akoba. Why?
Yeah, you're live on Facebook, BWF Solicitors. You're live on YouTube, and also BWF Solicitors. The community and the law, and Yuguswe Ubitimi, and they will text on Abba, will be the idea about May Bossway, 07950 422-780. Announce over 0208 123 1016. I say lawyer. Meti UK, but I am a Belgian national. What do I need and how do I prove my immigration status? If I've lived in the UK for more than 5 years, can I change my nationality to become a British citizen?
Yo, and an American EU settlement scheme. Oh yeah, EU ni na waba betna wa migrating aba betna hanuma. First, we hear your regulation 2016 now. Over initial entry, over now for 3 months. Say after 3 months, no now person continue now living here. Over your application, be a friend of resident card. Till year and no. And Uber say after 5 years, no apply for permanent. Yo, also the new EU system now, one in place now. So I new EU system no. So what betina UK ha na what me actually say me di 5 years wobet me apply for settled status and as an indefinite leave to remain. Inti no ebema wo enya yebeka me say asetena afibon no indefinite no. Wo na obe decide say me pese me change me nationality and na say me change no. So inti so pese we change na and no na obe apply for naturalization. We will be already more than 18 now. Inti wunya wo indefinite na over 1 year to wait.
Okay.
But whereby we have Belgium ni we British ni. When you are indefinite, let me go ahead no one making naturalization straight because our relationship with Oyeno, our British ni no. Inti share this scenario or no on kuta British relationship. When you settlement na, when you indefinite na, I was trained for 1 year. Into 1 year ni ba na fail no bet me apply for naturalization. Now I go through procedure. There are requirements go I say we meet residence requirements about kroma no free kroma for my in a year no free kroma more than 6 months. And I say as time goes on no 5 years I will about kroma no free kroma for more than 450 days. Into we share side ni na meet requirements na and I will say also, person naturalize ya, omu bro for the omu fe di agro.
I also to become bro for.
That's it.
And and then
It's a level B1 and a B1 so no omu money and I say omu history be they expecting you to know. And only life in UK no. I was say we and I know so no I was so prove they don't cry the other day say me who dey tell me the shame say your intention say UK be you fee.
But say then Obeja and cry.
I say we need mental issues in as if for your
so me want no see but my me some way now we can say or so to me at UK have for a certain number of days and I say one outside certain number of days. Young father said over the 5 years year be no me Ghana be 2 weeks. 2 weeks. It be okra na my Europe country be 3-4 days be over the weekend no maba. And no sani ebeke kani nyina sie ni ansani enya sa 450 days na wo kana na say e wo se to aso baako.
Yo, and no sa no. Once a year baako say oko Europe, oko Ghana. But the number of days na na make can say year bia no omo be check say free kroma 90 days. Inti yam fan say 12 months ni nyina no free kroma 90 days.
Now, and me sure say somebody may be confused. That's probably I am.
Yeah.
90 days, no, I say continuous 90 days. And now say from January 1 to 31st December, number of days I would do outside. You be canning in a boom. I say drew 90 ana.
Yo, Osha and our kind 1st of January to 31st of December, a year calendar ni afano. Year ni nyina no, what free kroma more than 90 days and now it doesn't matter say be who could be January, who could be April, who could be November. You can't hear any album what free kroma more than 90 days and now. But I don't know more exception.
Okay.
So in case we're free more than 90 days now, exception will hold and they are supporting case. Why?
Okay. My dear, I can say between your fraying our humanos so 0208-123-1016. Or text messages no major 079-5042-780. And my main call humanos so na you know our friend no yemfa on a friend no emfa emra 0208-123-1016. Hello. Hello. Me will be a man so munya butamam kakre bi me fa no ede na ba. Hello.
Okay. Lawyer answer neighbor call. Well, my main question way and to me in receive to me offer for na. Or say may application for naturalization. I entered in an individual voluntary arrangement and has been paying off my debt. So the car and Naja. Part of the arrangement is that some of the debt is written off.
Okay.
Although it is not a judgment and I intend to disclose it, will this affect me? Also, will the student loan affect my application?
Yo, we question ya by fall under good character requirement in case we naturalization. And now you nyoma be naturalization in terms of good character requirement or motion. It depends on IV way now or body, you know. Mame and Caribbean for the benefit of the listeners now. Yes, sir, what they can work to was econometria say every month, and I say so every day, and I say. Inti Osha Sakana, or see what Bomo dear and a biomun so no, there war as what they say, or say Case way no. Student loan in a safe for student loan. I don't know say we due to at the same time no or you due say or say or started here now say we so we student. Also we due no here that's fine. But why not you say we here and also what and home since and so for an application no. In the end share say sa nyoma we mu nyina no or what I can't say I was say oh yes application now we be disclose Sanuma we application form so send a naturalization case work and far or better say Sadi will affect you or character and answer affect it. And your requirement, good character requirement, I think say in future I better talk about it near pensing more. Send a year. I was say at least Numa Wemunana what femuno Ube disclose our naturalization application form now, and it's up to the caseworker to make a decision on that. Why?
Okay, you yeah try say a bit to me and then near my husband. You see how to 0208-123-1016 and that's or text no meji ewo 07950 422780. Hello. Budget is saying. Me bow. I mean, yes, to me, actually, waking so a day. Ama Lawyer Francis so active on car. Hello. Good evening. Matisa, who was na? Me. Aha, I think she will question as if you man. Yet so can't you repeat your question or why? Okay. Lord Francis.
Yo, Osha, Yamran, send a sika, FREU settlement scheme application now. And Chesa and I, now, Ebema, and I say a proof of BB be I was say chess ube to me make application no. So brother neba anyway na or per se obe make application once I make catch say you're free free movement but you will be a friend transition period that you won't say I could see somewhere 31st of December 2020 and I even grace period but so brother and person or church or before say you be 1st of January 2021 obey to me about rem now obey rema because I use settlement scheme no the aba and I say ama ho aye ni can say as long as obey to me actually say me to UK ha me proof of address in here inti me make it application so what to me share yeah, me say, oh you need. About it now. A day to me providing any proof of address. On the application. No. I know say would you say yeah, was starting a Juma and son or making application no. And Tessa because definitely yeah, almost a proof of address within the last 6 months no to me yeah say November. At least what you before say be free 31st of December. I quite jaw or also make application. No. Why? Inti seems encourage man. Why?
Bacha you, me that's it.
Hello, me bacha oh.
Bacha and bacha me wono.
Yo, inti that's where oh brother no bet me aba anyway obe show say Oba benya proof of address or bet media make it sign in EU settlement scheme. No? Why? Yo, bye bye.
Okay. Sort a few of the things there. Like for instance, maybe I'm a kodaya and I'm say me mark you when I mend the HOEW 0208 1016 and I say we text about 07950 422 when so a day about say or Italian national and currently in the UK for good, but I've traveled back to Italy for a few things and I want to know if I can do my settlement scheme online in Italy before I come back to the UK next month.
Yo, share the question obey to me here in such a way say not here no to call or travel to Italy because that issue now are cropping up so application a be sure a be bisa say who outside and I say who inside into no now obey choose say no outside into outside now no obey to me here but a do baby so be say prove be bisa say what address e what UK then Inti that show say what here now ko bibinti na akwachi wo e wo Italy definitely wait me make application no every honomo now I follow questions are ebusa no why as time goes on no and America no questions ni be say are you within UK and I say outside UK
okay
inti what you see na ko what is your address into address in be show say what na happen and I say onte why
okay when so ebisa was say I understand the British passport is changing from red to blue. How is it going to affect us? Do I have to acquire a visa before I travel to any European country?
Yo, share sa you Brexit and a transition period by hopefully 31st of December 2021 now. From 1st January 2021, Elkono, Omude Emra, na say passport for no, say wo ye British ni, now per se wutu kwan Elko Europe, and now say other countries make sure say o passport na ekuta no, enye bibia less than 6 months baby. Because the omo kan we nya ni che say o share your passport na ekuta na changes ibem we move from red to blue. It's almost a static crime, sir, because the application be a colonial passport or the buy blue. I started that effect, you know. But so who could a red passport now, British passport now, making sure say expiry date, you know, it shouldn't be less than 6 months.
Okay.
From 1st of January 2021. Now person call holidays to European countries in Libya. Because Corona wo no almost wo mra o mahihye efa omo ba ho. So wo kwa normally wo call for short stay holidays be na sit for 90 days. You don't need a visa. But it depends on country a wo so. Country bi wo ha omo strict requirement because free Brexit no. Into many UK negotiating about that thing. Into from 1st of January no. The best advice I made me I say check it Corona wo koso no.
So we'll be here visa.
That's it. But so far guidance what the government website in say at least make sure say passport you know and less than 6 months. Say less than 6 months it's advisable to renew it before say obeko.
So be unko ka ho.
That's it.
Na just say any so be ade hye na dwene say chinchina obetumi ama passport so akọ maybe say Germany, France, Belgium and other European countries no but check so we be here visa.
Yes.
Okay.
Tembia no because Brexit no ye breaki any EU ye free. And nunti UK omo de omo ho. Other European countries almost so de omo ho. Inti say who person oba omo kroma. It's up to them to sit UK for down say UK this year person oba me krom no. Say na me here free ho. To say the UK for ahye say oh ba ye krom a unso de e wo say wo ye nie. Inti tem bia no it's best say who person go holidays who go country bia we check it from our website. No matter be here. Say number of days I go di requirements are I will say we so. Why?
Okay. There were a few comments your Facebook page and also me say odarema ye de ebebo so na afi ye de ama so for joy e ha Dauda Sari, I'm saying my extra information be was say the blue passport was issued 3rd of May 2020. That's it. Yami ensure and I advising everybody to share the page. Yes, pick a page and I know I share live our Facebook BWF Solicitors and our live and so our YouTube BWF Solicitors. The community and the law any day browe MEB say checking say on quality standards no very good. Yami ensure so and who be our person will send a message be say what any country more teach you within EU and our UK hano with me at text 079 50 422 780 and also say 0208 123 1016 Nyamiadarama yetimi assort out all the loose ends and until ubetimi afra ebeba come up a day amount ye koso na fe yaje frɛ na onso wetimi abeka ye ho lawyer Francis ewa na oni edin komo say the community and the law, too many laws, too many questions, ask a lawyer. It's a lawyer Francis ewa lawyer Francis mamimfa we or say many me intem me translate no me intem and tawadi aba ya separated for more than 5 years possible say metimi akware for wabra menko through divorce and because divorce will take me about 3 to 6 months to accomplish. There will be any person
it will be another year saying my friend oh share the annual question now with the abana on kai who say oya aware so inti why aware akwa abemu and I say at least ebusian for etia oni ntem aye wantwi and I say magaya untimi mfiri prekupe say mesa kwa akoware Krobia won especially UK divorce proceedings in for Family Act and as a matrimonial causes act 1974. So yeah. Uja warrior and I say pese ubeja warrior. It's a different thing. But UK in such a way say wamo pene say awari say wawari na wasako wari. It's against omumrano. If we bigamy. So yeah, inti when opese or chese obetimi akoware for without say unja warrior no. On record nebeche say would so worry.
Okay.
Inti would so worry okwa akoware foforo. Say UK ha na otia UK mra no emma kwan emma saade no e happy. Inti obetimi use against in terms of say what committee offense of bigamy. Unya warrior no was akofare or ba foforo. Why? Okay. Yeah. Inti yenua advice be man say omomodi a unja warrior ansana wetimi akwasa akoware.
But say more crans more sanchiche mo say so be separate for a long time and not just say aware be an subsistent. I'm say mo bro for the sana mo kana.
There be separate here because here were reasons for divorcing. Say ujai say ebia nipa na commit adultery, unreasonable behavior, separation for 2 years, separation for 5 years, and then a home kick home. Inter no has to show. Esa would it be ba say me jai aware. Unti me emfa no pe and I say unka say me jai aware. And I say many way I say separate. But remember say aware mu no onyoma we first no wa ware pen. Ebi a we dey akọ aban mu. Ama aban we say omo record ne so no wa ware pen. So, yeah, can wawari mami we asimesi anti adwa. Wasa de oba fofra ba beche say mawari yi anti akosia. No na ombe share na ka say na say your record no so no one for divorce bi ama meto so say meja ware ansa na mekwa akoware fofro. Separation on each one a different entirely ball game altogether.
Okay.
But whereby or say okoware o wa anka say okotwimp na. So, uko warrior a different thing. Hona mpese me clarify na mema omoya we say. Se upese uko warrior fofra a different thing say we say ujai ba kono ansana wako warrior.
Okay. We say our UK and our relative our different EU country. Obetimi agi visa free ho Ediaba. Because we are to Europe, Germany, Belgium, none in family were UK. Or person move from Belgium or France or that country, no. Na oba abetna ni family ni chain or UK. Be a nipa nye juma ni poti UK no nye juma but on office or better abetna ni chain. Obetni apply na waba.
Yan share nipa no ni nationality send the city.
Okay.
Whereby nipa no Belgium near akwan jawa ho e man say obetimi a travel without even say or visa no waba.
Okay.
Because still in America yeah that's who EU mu. E what transition period mu. Inti obetimi aye na animu ya before say 31st of December 2020 ni bedru. Teno no say no watam the bag straight waba. Inti waba na fei e na obeka abusua no ho no ahwe se omo so opese wotena UK hanuma na fei no be sa EU settlement scheme libi. But a situation whereby definitely uti other EU countries I would say say one krata or and I say winning krata. Unless
scenario be symmetry Mrs. here. You find say meti UK ha. Me EU national no migrated to the UK.
Yeah.
My EU settlement scheme application no. But my relative be war be Belgium or Qatar but on no MI. Me settlement scheme application no. Now I won say be in the next few months. Sa me nua no sa mbusu ne no obetimi aba me kame ho a. Metimi de din aka me application no.
Osha sa EU settlement scheme application wontimi emfa nka o so no kwa ye na application ko because who na wo ye wo application e wo UK hanom nti wo ye wo application na ebusa nsem fa wo hu so ono na ya na wonya ma ha and no so no oye no from outside but in more serious cases no e wo se oba no be ye and as a unua na owo ha no pese oboa wa e wo se otonkra no ka che o se ejey enai wa ma na e free yi mu a oba na ebe ho ano ebe ye de why into yen way the sort of ne only residents are or they what the other EU country no and na yen some way nipa no wa ha de no and no so de no I don't know say bia you are trying to push it to bia your friend is in the same application na so British no or wa ha and o migrate to other European country o person o saba
okay
no say bia one non EU ni bi and e wo ho a no more ba they can make application fully so oba can ho UK han.
Okay. Yeah. Now me dream. I'm trying to read people's mind. You ever find say nipa oti EU country no man or Ghana ni wakodi adro ho.
Okay.
But me busuani no me ho ye e wo ha. Metimi apekwan bi so de na rem.
Yo, wakodi adro no no ye.
In fact we di adro be 10 years or.
And so benya in krata ba. Fine. Oh, fine. Wakodi adro no and no ye different scenario but it won't come under EU.
Okay.
It be a different totally ball game altogether. Say immigration rules near they be apply wa and EU.
Okay.
Why? Inti say bia or no person or kofa ne ba a different thing. Immigration rules no e wo ho no. Obetumi use. First, e be nipa ni age, ne dey be nti na person or kofa o depend what the nipa no wa na say den. But meanwhile, o can see we dey adro. Nti wo koye dey adro na okokodi aban nsem. Aban na ehwe. Unless say bia wenya aban ma sitina na o pese utimi migrate to other country na that's another issue. Why?
Way they be about over to me afre 0208123116 and I say or text me or WhatsApp message said here moto ebremino na memfa emma lawyer Francis na onyi ano emma text number is 07950422780 07950422780 me pacho say matna ha aye I've stayed here for almost 20 years without proper immigration status. Yeah. My son will be 7 years next year, September. If I put in an application now, would it be considered? Considering that I've almost spent my 20 years long stay and my son is almost 7 years where I can use him to apply for my stay. My name is
the opposite of chair. Yeah, the opposite of chair. Yeah, opposite make application be a friend unlawful residence another 20-year with paragraph 276 ADE under the immigration rules. Inti say a case will be at na UK more than and I said 20 years. Only parkono ebetimi am making application on the basis the private life. Inti yenhwe sa what it talks about private life say wa nipa ne make application on that basis. O share sena yemra ni sitia sa application we no is at the discretion of the Secretary of State for the Home Department. Inti omo no decide but on this case Omoshe is an evidential basis. From 20 years now, what now? No, Tamben now back room. There were visa na the back room man. Ye wakwaya ye fast wa ye de jisa information we nyina. Inti say we will our fall into that what that issue at least ube hu ya ye wakwaya ye fast wa ye betimi ajisa information we nyina. near making application on the basis or private life just say what na ha for 20 years. But I share the son need no see o kodi. On car say we did 7 years.
Okudi 7.
Yes, but on only the end no me na me doubt say we did 20 years and answer fe no kodi. So
The infant is Okudi.
Okodi ayana because I was say be careful about the way I made the advice in the betuja.
Okay.
Yeah. Because me make a choice say what more than 19 years. I didn't know chairman one here in Imran and what me make application. Who push you? No matter as a lawyer, me so me pen in term for to me. Home office or much chance and won't make a decision. But I was here share.
Okay.
Say because I knew na home office started tata wa no life be miserable. Tia na media ma won't say train what me abo modern train 19 years. So 1 year be anasa months be cry na edru at least you bet to me aye ni kakra na edru and na the ban okodi 7 years no so no on train na the ban in 7 years na I make application under the same private way family life say the ban in 7 years.
Okay. 07950422780 Modeba yebeto abremi wo me screen so na fe ye de to screen so e de ma na wetimi atv and now be 0208123116 Lawyer Francis Ewaha and oboyen ema ye questions ahodo no nyina ano ebi onso so say wo akonya say wo platform no so BWF solicitors your Facebook and your YouTuber bomodin say ube share page no na fe ye de ama atoto na me call Facebook page no so na fe me call comment back right. But there's a very interesting question be wa very interesting question my friend answer I say lawyer I came to the UK and I started going to a church where my spiritual leader gave me a lot of help and advised as to what I needed to do based on the revelations he had.
Wow.
I have followed all these directives and revelations, and now I've run into a problem where I am about to be deported. Can I sue the pastor for deception in this case? Okay, it looks funny, but any person.
It's rather unfortunate. What don't to nipa so na nipa ni do the consequences, only God knows. But it's just by the way say happen to yenuya or what's our sitting o share sa nioma we mu a o se opese o siu ni pastor. Fine, or to me show say pastor na di ni on that basis. It could be say pastor no advice on the mind, but bear in mind the pastor is not way when you're lawyer or be advice under immigration. That's another thing. Until share and I say you may be it's your word against the pastor's word. So
Hello.
Deben a pastor in a year to put you into that situation. You better share if you want more. Because here more details for us to analyze and see say why not blame no.
But so what was no hold on 1 minute, but see why?
Because a lot of things are into it. Maybe I was summarizing on what I but what about say what happened? Say or call for say for counseling. Now say or call for advice. Say pastor, me per se, chair me, and I watch me call hitting war. Affecting me to the extent say you be deporting me.
I know so many people can identify with it, but my equity know I want to so name rather. So I question we hello.
Hello.
That is say
the patron person that my worry will be okuta indefinite leave to remain. Nampacho betumi ade aye nkrata ama me na.
What were you be okuta indefinite leave to remain? Obetumi agye nkrata ama.
Mepacho an.
Okay.
Mepacho he is indefinite leave to remain. Menya
That's what indefinite leave to remain.
Indefinite leave to remain. And a nipana or a Ghana and so you need or indefinite leave to remain.
Mepacho Ghana ni.
Okay, Ghana ni. And now more worry, they don't worry. Ghana worry ben amoye, and I say Hannah mo worry, and I say day.
Mepacho you worry wo Ghana.
Oh, okay. Now we do what I say ye.
Na ono wa hanum ena meme wo honum but aware no enam kwan foforo so na meme de baaye.
Okay. Enam kwan foforo so ena wo de baaye. Me ba cho betimi ati hu sa kwan na ofa so de baaye no.
Me de fenesen me check mo be I think they are met for a trade but enya ono but see am de minister nipa no ya worry.
Yo,
me who said any EU need be worry so many years ago and I'm so no dinya ne de no but so many years ago and as I say no kutana indefinitely to remain no and me bisa say possible so obetimi di ayama me.
Yo, the entire me busa sa questions we nya no. Me pese me arrive at baby ansa na metimi advice you about the woka chere me no. Yo, na I only no wo ba na.
No yenya wo ye tebi.
Yo, me da say. Se metimi afa free hanu na ma hu de ese meka e kire. Why? Okay, say o say wo ba wo the different route so na de ba kroma no mo. I don't know say wo feel from no catch o say wa ware ana won ware. No na say we are careful. Me ba cho say
There be man kasa ma ware.
One kasa we. E na yen hwe ta ma mo ware ye. Ta ma mo ware ye no say na wo Ghana.
Aye.
Yeah, and that means wo ba no wa ware dada. Yes. Into wo ba no wa ware dada. Enya ha na wo so wo be ware ye.
There be an worry wa.
Aha. In this case, no, we say ujina affair papa na nya nkrata na pese ujina uyi ba se mi kunu ni.
Me ba trying.
And no, Emran say if that's the case, I will say we go back to Ghana. No go file for a free Ghana ba. On the basis say we making application be a friend entry clearance for spouse of a person settled in UK.
Right.
But also what you say?
Mepacho meeting.
Inti na de nti a me busa say akola wo ma na say akola ndim no. Che say if sanka akola wo ma a different issue a young lawyers ni betimi use e wo ha no mama o.
Okay.
Now where akola ndim ni de e wo say imran ne say obefa o e ko fa o free Ghana eba. Enya ha mo di be ma aye nka ama.
Right.
Because maybe you say we a visitor.
Right.
One ma na wo overstay and am boa.
Me pa try.
Inti man ma ho kwan say obedi nkrata free kroma ama. But rather I was say okofa free Ghana eba.
Okay.
Anka akola wo ma anka ye lawyer ni enim how a ye de be fa so a anka wo eya no ye betimi age ama.
Okay.
But the who can no say woni ni wuba. Woni ni ba se be. Yeah, and I'm afraid say was say or year application we go back to Ghana. Now why year application every or the waba. Why?
Me patrol you. Me that's be for the advice.
Yo.
Okay. Yes, yeah, that's CP. So also afraid now. We can't hear home. Keep sharing the link. No, na adudu onso enya ebi. Lawyer, also for Nadia na me baso, but I mean, a text message. For Emra, or say, which me actually me more about the replacement of resident card of EU family member, of which I have 5 years, which has not expired. Can I replace it with the pre-settlement card now?
Yes, yen nuane pese who say our Yebekano All-Star Revolution 2016 resident card. Inti say opesa was sisane call EU settlement scheme na.
But hold on here, Brian.
Akwan jawo home no say at least obetumi ISI EU settlement scheme no application no. Say only 5 years resident card normally 5 years near the amount until obenya pre-settled stages. Why?
Okay. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. Make a Spain. Me pasó mi problem, me sé, me pasó me de me mata ona. Me bien que como me tipo me hace na me se me sano. Na. Me lawyer man no munya no on cancer no because as I be man to me about me passport bet me about one man. Oh, I just what you know. Me man son about money the end the that so ejinamu. Yes sir. Yes I phone na yendin komo. Hello, me I'm even now. Me I'm passport. Na yendi nkutabi. Any person who say about yani abagye me sa na say nkwa passport nti ye kan ho ayen nye gesa. Oh, okay. Any person mama section wa de na me fa misa ayi Uncle Francis. Ono trese mama ne papa no enkura bibia e was Spain but nkwala na nya Spanish passport. 31st December ne 30th June na nya maaye no. Omo betimi ama anaso omo betimi agina nkwala no so to speak. E dey amba UK ha. Abenya setna because nkwala no so betimi ama migrate aba. Yes, omo betimi ama migrate aba. But the issue is omo ba no, omo ba hin. Okay. Because but so utie. Hello. Hello. Okay. We still say the entire may refer back to regulation 2016. Although free movement now, you know, transition period. All the time now until say 31st of December 2020. Maybe idea year 1st of January. No. I still insist we use that thing to if something question be banner in here say the best explain here you be use why okay so all share the any question out there by the man no kuta bi no mo no per se ni there or mo ni bi but you will be a friend Zambrano derivative right application ebini say Zambrano or Tessera and then as if for say nipa no oba no was sufficient self-sufficient self-sufficient, I will say, who prove say the medical history, the medical records, so bar, Hano, or when you see Kabia, obeti me rent medical, okuta comprehensive sickness insurance, nibi. So we know where you know, obedience you can say obeti me migrate about better UK, as long as within Tama EU for Brexit in the end, okay. It is our quality to me, not to me show where you know, obedience who we see quite. That's it. Okay. It's a holiday. See a big why? But also for the day. Yo, but I saw for any spiritual leaders. Etimima advice, directive. Wabusi anyway na yo hwe ye wo ha ye we me so da na passport abedi me nsem entifa ko ha all those things. Maybe you free no, you just sign your money deeper. Papa. A baby, I see no, na acquire nada. Yes. Unti see what's offer no. Nipa work na sema. Especially you need to be careful about. But at the end of the day, God is the one who judges us. So,
all share say and an American say what to who say a counselor and answer what Tinu say or all sort of new war, you know. And only I say you can share the basics are soften who the whole year. But who are sorry, do more counselors are they give counseling advice about say we it doesn't mean say 100%. But who ni pronounce who kono hono. I will say what you say, why immigration person I work home school, what me advice on immigration and who ni pronounce on a fabe bin also I will say me can was him. The entire makers and say suffer no him so then why suffer.
Nyame yache.
Nyame yache no. Excuse me to say, who's nyame ntimi nyintiro. Yeah. Oh, you're careful, sir. Your dear want to suffer so. What you need to say, Yankupon, a casafanimu, a different thing.
Lawyer, but we trying to pay mammy. And Ranabeja to Muse, Sabi, say, men who so, and now cement me in decipher society will beat me a man problem, no. What that damn me? Deception.
Yes.
It means me to see you suffer and say suffer we were indoctrinating me at that damn. And now say what my main kind of teaching as a suffer, but a spiritual person, so to speak.
It's a litigation in America no. What's them onuna semno. A kokota, what's them na beka na ko ononso no. Yeti ononso part of the case. Inti that's what America say. Who evidence are the beka we nyina. Should ye neshe how would was a neko. So, in the air make us say, would pana would do one comma sofano. Debe ne can wa woko yes I don't know. Sofony catch your saying Yankupo yacho. Fine. But it's up to you, back to you, for you have to look at it and think about it. Why didn't you seek second opinion?
0208-123-1016. And answer or text in the Beba 07950-422-780. You try Wahumana so Oba, Yabefa, Nafi, Yano, Ashichi, and Komo. I say I'm living in Belgium and have 2 children in the UK, but not married to their mother. Can I join my family in the UK? I'm also not working at the moment.
Ote
Belgium.
Ote Belgium.
The mommy no UK ha.
Okay.
Omoni omama but onne mama no inni ho. Omon worry. Obetimi a join ni because kwala na say kwala na in the family.
Yeah.
Nti obetimi a join the family in the UK. Belgium oti onye adwuma.
Onye adwuma. Okay. First, I say who apply the normal application to join a family member in UK here. That procedure no necessary. And what the requirement I will say meet.
Okay.
It is a meeting requirement now. That will be difficult. Obviously, we can say won't even join or really but the thing is, it was a meeting requirement, and some are waiting me about join on immigration wise. It is a meeting requirement now. I'm afraid it's won't me.
Now, is the law not kind of breaking a family? Because a person joining in the family, name UK.
Fine. Yanka say, a man say, Mashi say, entry clearance to join your family. And no more. Matilda, Opesa Ochena say, in terms of human rights, and as for say, are they breaking their relationship? What can you say? My meaning, colonity. So,
it don't mean Yanka may in my way.
I know, but I'm afraid, sir, you can't go your way.
Well, young share ways, so there's a letter beer, Obi a day abreme and lawyer. Obi Afa will be identity. And say or they akoye bibia mani pakro no ho a now there's a cancel letter a wade, but Minyan come a bonnet offer. Mammy, Minfa call you. And you Nafi, Minfa, and no Emra, so that we can have time to look at that long letter.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, my patrol. I came in and finish here. I'm not. I want to man, you mean why you need and I make a change. I'm the first time the man who cry, the first Spanish. Spain send a man who cry a passport and I'm talking about that. Then I'm president, major visa, and then visa.
Okay, me here kasa we ntimi enti oh ayi tobo nyamte tobo pa na enti ni yes ah we be confused why so tell me can hello
me ba to me gina
tie me what telephone no so ne dum computer no ana twe free computer no so kra na gina baby ne tie what telephone no so why
ma be just akate
hello
me ba to me gina
aha je say what your telephone so me boa
I'm after me gina so after me tie
aha good wo wasam ne say wo ne wo kunu mo Spain
me ko no kwade ko ma me na me dem kwani ndika
wonder ma me ncheche mu na lawyer Anthony Bonchiro mu so
mate
why
Papa.
Thank you. Okay, me amfansa wo unkuta passport for Spain. Me wa.
Daddy.
Good.
Me ngwabi.
O man wo bi. O man o me yasan.
O me ndenu.
Penina di say.
Penina wo 8 years na keto na wo 6 years.
8 and 6. And I will be say kwala no betimi aba UK. Na mo
aka pa betimi visa no ka betimi ni o maba.
O betimi ni o maba na obedru ha.
Ni visa
na wo so betimi anya bia na to bo na lo nya no ma.
Yo. Madam, o hwe sana yemra na esitie wo UK hanoma. Still an America na say yeda so wo HOEW mu until say 31st of December 2020 no. Bibia so cha ye be call bibia friend grace period no. Over to me say before 31st of December 2020 no. We HOEW ya over to me aba hanomo. Inti yemfa enkola ne say wo say na wo see kan enkola ne HOEW for omukuta Spanish passport. Inti omo na omo ba no. Say omo betimi aba UK hanomo but kan hu so omo susa so omo ba UK omo ba yedai inti usha yemra no mo some part of it talking about derivative rights application in asifo na in kolana omo ba no there should be some sort of say omo ye self sufficient. And ya fay
okay
and on mobile be jina say my buy UK are buying shame and a self-sufficient no I was say one insurance in case of wayarea comprehensive sickness insurance wayarea insurance no and no be you to the action who kroma it way you know so much me way you know obi ensi omo kwan o metimi aba migrate about betina UK hanumo. Na eche mo ba be join omo.
Okay.
Why?
Me ba che.
Okay. Yeah, that's CP. Say I want to want to that's CP na me insurance say okoye wasan aba. Well, me letter no. Hey, if you don't see what you Obi used to be identity. Yeah. One of the boroughs in London.
Okay.
Me know the letter any. Iti bara ne na memmo na nipa kro no na so yeshipa. Letter ni 16th October 2020. 16th
October.
And your true letter no Eddie Brennan said, I have terminated your council tax reduction and your housing benefit from the 7th of September 2020.
Wow.
The full rent is now payable from this date. Mm-hmm. Your council tax balance has been increased by a certain amount.
Wow.
The reason for this is you have moved to a new address. The amount has been calculated as follows. From 7th of September 2020 to the 1st of April 2021, 29 weeks, 3 days. Your repayment will be accepted without prejudice to any further action the Department for Works and Housing may wish to take against you in this case. The reason for this adjustment is you moved to a new address. Please be aware that a claim may be adjusted periodically using earnings and or pension details as verified by real-time information received from HMRC. Now, nipa no asama working and say, baby, yes, ote na wako say you council tax a year at the brain no say as wakoji dan any benefits near we 12 you cry 11 years ni and na afi ye de a year brain no much is na to the new address ne de letter we brain say omra metua sa eka no na we do mu ahu nipa kro so I found the person and I would want to report that to the police. But first, how do I deal with the council letter that I have received?
Yo, in your case, it's rather unfortunate it happened that way. But then I make a chroma no records a dana. And I say, the way our system needs no matter how you can say, over found ready. But, sir, yeah, share in your situation what. Say or no suspect say will be na a command tip off. So
there's no anyway. Well, the other Bremen based on that.
It means with the other Bremen, what come on among say?
Will be na fa na the na apaja.
Oh, okay.
Because I know say baby you did let a year free bread on. What 12 or 11 years ago. I didn't so yeah.
Now, 2 years of my cancer near away. That's the question because.
But so many out the buy will be to me the.
Yeah, because I was who said, and normally Anna say council and answer all rent baby now to your council tax. Who move it to other other accommodation?
Also,
first, it was Obama near my council.
Okay.
Ebia in the course of say now one or more working out we yearly council tax. It is a who move it to other places. Momunya we no munya no recalculation and I say em farm other barrel no no continue entry no more working out how much I will say with because I know you new maybe a won for so em farm papa because you tell me you end up case be will be discussing chairman no ono so say you book aguni so for almost I think they're getting to 10 years. Inti I was so catch council no what happened or back in history near that. Am I no council no anything say am we negotiate money can how much I was owed you.
There's a kind of the heading I was owed you.
I was owed you. Because one can't share on. It that's another issue. I mean say me ma anyone we are aware about. Say Chroma no imraye juma papa. Because I tell you
nipa way situation no is it a desperate situation? Is it a dire one? In the sense that say utia sa kaye omode ya breno ya. The case ni bit me wu and say it could rise up again later in life.
Such things, you know. When I say also call story a chair council.
Okay.
Fine. ABR meant to me inform but check from other baby I meet no time I took what now.
Okay.
Or met me our keep BBA. Because mind you, we are side way no. Oh, dream about say about Koda or record or so. So we will be a Okade for Untria worker. And the council is so easy for them to do that. You know, my debt collectors. Now, better record or so.
It is a coming a kit to be an open and go to your program.
Fine. Of say, can you get to be a bit mature?
But is this not an issue of stolen identity?
I know. And also a different ball game altogether. But how can you prove that? Can you wouldn't mind giving it to National Crime Agency for them to investigate? No nipa no yes I don't know. They have a way of dealing with it and they can easily get the person.
Lawyer, a higher kwan so maybe sir. Young father said, "What will be mobile?" No, actually, so Jiway fire Juma. Actually, be na wadane no hona afia akoya asem foforo na eya akoye bibi se ya. Eno sa no, oso ka wano tum na utia woka na opo be bitna. Ana se obetimi ni nipa ne de si ani se wo no wakoye se ya ma mene ma se.
Unze ye account for wo omuka se bi se papa anya hwe abone anya hwe. Ye nuanum ne ma ye dream ko different angle.
Okay.
Ye ma ye tibia mu se na situation city. Wo what you say why you so mu a.
Mama Jim.
That's it. About be affected me. Na sa dia papa anya hwe abone anya hwe. Say nya say wo be say me record here and me report to my national crime agency.
Say bi so one na man.
Ah?
Be one na.
Me di mama kan cho say fire see. And I'm going to fire see. What have you got to catch me? Because of fire see.
There is a balance.
Ah, and now by side there's some so person me down for a banner.
And also I know will not be a se nipa no ka say onim hu bia. One so patrol.
Definitely minimum bia. You be sure. Me I sure say minimum bia. E be do one so. No, because I know what you. So I say if you say no I will say make me a pile petrim.
You who say you be adwin bone city.
That's it. Who person want me back down? Sheka wo ko bogu mi so.
I was for Andrew na Odibia say Francis Sky earlier on, but if you want to bring some say see at the end no. Me gidi.
Because anyway serious e pa. You serious case pa. But and now can you be say and you be futu nti at least you nuanuma mo hwe no situation bi wo hon ma edu ba bi a ukọ sa tibia we mu abon se na won se mehu yanka say me ye di papa na say ma me ye di papa but at the end of the day no at times na you feel say obi wo ho na ubisa na minu onfa ma wa nipa ni trimode enye se ni trimode
I who be painter.
that's it me can say nipa no will go through that tibia no and o dey tu no fo now so you boa wa now so take advantage over that anyway
I was for the diacosia and if it's you say you between atwaso na ejo questions no concerns ne bebre and then the buy and you bisa o say too many laws, too many questions. But the answer me the mawo and they say ask a lawyer. Na ubisa ye no so me de call BWF solicitors asye ma yenya very very good insight into the various questions and concerns you have. Me wo a whole lot of them ewa ha nanso ebre ye ninkaso eno nti no de tebia I was say ye pagya mu. Nti answer na ye be kra na afi de na se ama Dodwa mo ba yen chain ewo yen Facebook page no so BWF solicitors mo ba yen chain ewo yen YouTube page no so BWF solicitors no me ba be damase but answer ma men call Lawyer Francis or na me misa say e den na wo teacher yen answer na page you mo
yo dear medija etifo na etifo nkwa say obia ene nyoma ya discuss no what's our situation no a bear say about lawyer na say bibisa a chere wadwin fine council wo no money na se for so for bebre betimi am counseling na se for but a bamra na per lawyer wasua adeno a wonim de wo ye ama because yenua die a o si so for si wonya iche no nti we kodi na chi ama akodru pempenso a wakopema ontimi manachi a I will say then call baby of free buy. Yeah, yes, but all the same, no, ye nya addition be a free say the city in terms of unya that situation. Fine, so for bema, but lawyer, Mrani sign and Mrani sika. Because in Mrano, so why I'm showing here? And no be awful so Minimrano. There be. Ya ko hu suku. Ya mai abodi wo hu. Every year be a more aditi. Make sure say unim dear warrior or de ma obi obeba unche. Because why I'm showing here, no say a bad advice, it goes against us. Oh, yet me alliance is quite free and sim. But the a yen say, yes, Remu, Yenuanum. Mamum fam home cautious artibian. Best thing, who immigration issues, family issues, then a far law no, court neko lawyer, no advice you. Na senebeya, koto amanimwa, ukoptoma untime infrimuba. Inti the midbeja here for say at least your damas is said and so Makai and Homa the program now is successful. Although initially a bit of sound page, but Uncle quite me assorted. So that's an Namia Dum now said the Abishi Abuma ya cramo. Monka we say your home Tim ya BWF solicitors. Bye-bye.
BWF solicitors and yaniwon ebe to kase na afi yade jumedie the community and the law yade ebrewo. Lawyer Francis yadasi nyame ensure say unya adagye na unimdie ni usua huna wo no woni yen ache no yi questions ni bebre ano ade amaye nim se bre wo mu anka yebetimi ato aso aye no bebre sanso ne yade aseda emma yetifo ahodo a wohwe yen ewo yen YouTube page no so BWF solicitors and afi so wohwe yen ewo Facebook page no so BWF solicitors. BWF solicitors ewo 214 to 218 Stockholm High Road no so ewo Seven Sisters North London Monday to Friday efi anopa 9:30 kusi anwumere 6 o'clock bia woye adwuma eno nti say immigration sem say employment say education Ghana mra na apese chichiro mu se ni sitie applications ahodo bia woye ana say lawyer for kra eni wachi nkoja wo court na no woni abaya mani ana say obi litigation bi ewo mu yenko court na nkojina wachi a BWF solicitors ene we preferred community lawyers mekamfo ede amount bomodin a say obefa wo number no 0208 493 7340. Missy number no so 0208 493 7340. Here is screen so and our fee number the community and the law no so it was so 0208 123 1016 0208 123 1016. And our social media handles are holding in answer so is right at the bottom of your screen. BWF solicitors, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and all the other platforms. We are live on there. And coming home na same time next week. Yen sign Emfa another edition of the community and the law Emfamro. Yen technical producer lawyer Patrick Yadase. Yen director lawyer Richard Yadase. Lawyer Eunice Emma Yen the update. And I think so yen support from all the members of the BWF solicitors family. And wo ifiha the BWF message about the BWF solicitors menka enchiano. The mechanic say ho and also do umbra any munsemina echo. The law firm I'll call the baby Ghana chocolate. And you baby. Just say yeah. And we trade on so or the assurance said the TBA okay so you be the amount wedding kunim. And then so CW and call Emma Lawyer Francis say obey na obey a resource person. And to executive producer Dr. Bernard Osu, thank you so very much. It was for me Kai will say COVID is still with us. In the UK, especially in England, we are under lockdown until the first week of December 2020. No restrictions be brave over. But the American NSA, but what they say about Rwanda, na we use hand sanitizer or call any public space. But what they say, we share face covering nose mask no omodin ahye ebebo ho ban ebebo me nso me ho ban. So if you love your mother, if you love your husband, if you love your wife, if you love your children and you want to protect them, please protect yourself first. Wear your face covering na no ebebo. Abusia efrem oreku frimpon ha na me do besi ye wonder sene.
Michia, your viewers, ne etiefuni na midakweku so ase for this opportunity to do a quick.
BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers.